Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let x denotes the total number of 1 function from a set A with 3 elements. So, there is a set A which has 3 elements to the set B with 5 elements. Okay, so we have to make 1 function. So for 1 function, what we have to do? We have to make n factorial, but we have to stop where we will decide later. So first person of this set has how many choices? 5 choices. Second member is having 4 choices. Third member is having 3 choices. Done. This is your x. Now focus on y. And y denotes the total number of 1 function from the set A. So set A has 3 member. To be the set, to the set B is not there, to the set A cross B. So A cross B means what? Cartesian product. So A cross B will have 15 elements. Now first person of set A will have how many choices? 15 choices. Second member of set A will have how many choices? 14 choices, because it is 1, not many one. Third member of set A will have how many choices? 13 choices. So you got the value of x and y. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.